get the RiteTag browser extension, and then in Twitter, type or paste your tweet. You'll see the RiteTag Hashtag Suggestion button. Hit that, and in a few seconds you have hashtag suggestions. You could select any that you want or select all, and then just remove the ones you don't want. Copy and paste. So you'll see this in TweetDeck, Hootsuite. Here in Buffer, notice I have Twitter and Instagram selected for scheduling, and that's why the button is not active. I remove Instagram and then click the button, select all, and I'll just knock out a couple hashtags I don't need. Copy and paste, and I'll select my image, and it's ready to go. So you'll see this in many sites for getting hashtags for text. You can do it for all the text that's in the update field.